Okay. Hi, my name is Ryder. This is my sister Sierra. Like in the other videos, like front flip. Remember, like when I just started doing these videos. So when that was happening, I was thinking like I should do another video like this. And then I did another one and then another one until it was like winter or like fall. Right now it's fall. So like the nacho video, I tried Cheeto video, I tried hot Cheetos. And then I said something funny like the one that my sister had. I said those was extra hot. Yeah, that was pretty funny. And then I drank some water. And then yeah, that video to the video where I did my first front flip and landed ever caught on camera. Wait, Daddy, did you make a video? Did you do a video like on your phone but not send it to YouTube? Did you do it but you just didn't? Did you do a video?
Probably.
Okay. Well, this is like the second or third. So yeah. So I've been doing YouTube. Wait, how many years have I been doing YouTube, Daddy?
Maybe 2.
Maybe 2 years. I think my first one was in Lego. Was it in Legoland?
Maybe.
No, it was in Sesame World. So there I went on the Oscar. I forget their names. But I remember going on one of those roller coasters, and at Disneyland, when I just went, I do not know why I did not do a video. I forgot to. But there, I went on an upside down one. It was pretty fun. I didn't like the drop stuff. So, and also at Disneyland, there was one that I cried on. That was the worst one. So today we're gonna learn about sound effects. So sound effects, if you don't know, it's like when you're watching a movie. I have no idea what my sister's doing, but she's weird. Like in a movie when it goes boom, 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 boom. So that's like a sound effect. So a sound effect is like when something falls. If they want, they can do a sound effect, or they can't if they don't want to. There's different types of sound effects. Like, the door, when you flick it, then it makes a sound. They maybe might use it in a movie or maybe not. I can go bring one. It's over there. So, wait, can I have that book real quick? Like my sister's making the sound effects. She's going eat, 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 eat. That can be like, I don't know. But if you grab 2 strings, rub it together, it sounds like a frog. So Sue, can I have that book real quick? Can I have that book real quick, Sierra? Yeah. Can I have that book real quick? Oh, use your pink piggy. Yeah. Okay, so like this is another way. Wait, today was my papa's birthday. He got this. My sister bent it right now. So this is another sound effects. You can use a book to make a sound effect like this. It sounds like somebody's falling, right, Sierra? No. She just turned 4, but today is my papa's birthday. So look at if we do this, then it makes a cool sound effects. Like something fell, but it didn't bounce like a bouncy ball. There's so many things that people have been doing as sound effects. So like, if I do this, it's like somebody's flipping a page. But I'm doing it with a book. Okay, so like a different sound effects is like when you're squeezing glue and it's all gone. Like I just did. It's over there. I squeezed it, nothing came out, and then it made like, so like a pillow right here. When you hit it, it makes a sound. And then when you do that, it doesn't make a really big sound, like a jacket. Oh my goodness. This is my pop's socks and my sister's socks. Okay, so on my jacket, put this right here. This video is not about a lesson. How to zip up a jacket, by the way. So look at, that's a sound effect. They can use that in movies, like in any type of movies. Okay, this is the end of this video. So, like and subscribe so you can see all the other videos. And then bye.